Welcome back to Dragon Jacket Insulation, where we engineer pre-jacketed insulation solutions. Today I'll be giving you pro tip number 2. Pro tip number 2 is to install all your fittings first and then your straights. We have a modular system in which our pieces fit together. However, on this particular piece, you can see that it is too long and will need to be measured and properly modified in order to fit between the two fittings. Stick around for a quick video on how to modify a straight. Pro tip number 2, install your fittings first and then your straights.